Hey, good morning, guys. It is, I don't even know what day it is. Is it Tuesday? I don't know. One of them days. I am on a road trip, y'all. I am not in the van. I'm in my new car. I have a new car. This little car is a Chevy Spark, and I call her Sparky. And it is the color of, I don't know. I can't show you. It's a Caribbean color. Sparky's a Caribbean color. Like, that's right here. Can you see that? See that color? Right there? Yeah. It's like a seafoam green-blue. Something like that. But anyway, I'm on a road trip, y'all. I am heading to Michigan, of all places. I am going to pick up somebody special, and then we're going on a bigger road trip. But I'm in my new car. Good morning. I'm doing my makeup. I left Tennessee at a little after 4 this morning. I'm in Kentucky right now. Let's see, I don't even know how close I am to Ohio, Indiana area. I'm not sure which area I'm going through, wherever my GPS is sending me. I'm on 75 right now, but I'm doing my makeup. Sorry. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. I'm doing my makeup so I don't scare people. Whew. But, yeah. I just woke up, brushed my hair, and finished loading Sparky here. And I'll show her to you when I finally get to where I'm going. But I loaded most of Sparky last night. I've got all of my business stuff with me because I need to run my business while I'm working while I'm traveling. But that's pretty much what's in here at the moment. But yeah, my new little car, Sparky. This is her maiden voyage. I had only drove her 30 miles before this trip, so now she's getting the miles on her. It's kind of cold and gloomy. I think it's supposed to rain up this direction. I never look forward to coming north. And maybe I should, but I don't. I don't enjoy it. It's always cold. It's gloomy. It's just not my cup of tea. Now, other people, they may love it and enjoy it, but it's just not my thing. I like warm weather. Even though Tennessee gets cold, it doesn't get like this. I don't know, it's just a different atmosphere. But I enjoy the South more than I enjoy northern states. Ain't nothing wrong with northern states. Just like I said, it's not my cup of tea, but it is for somebody, and so that's all that matters. But anyway, gotta put my brace back on now that I've put on a little bit of makeup so I don't scare people. Put my stuff back in my bag, and then I'm back on the road. Then I gotta stop and get gas pretty soon. I'll stop and get gas before I get to the next big city, wherever that is. I don't know if I'm going through Louisville or if I'm going through Cincinnati. I don't know. I'm on 75 at the moment. Like I said, my GPS will tell me where I'm going. I looked at it. I have maps with me, paper maps, for those of you that are too young to know what that is. Paper maps. But, oh, yeah. I'm in my little teeny beaching car. I call it a beaching car because it's Caribbean colors. But, gotta wear my brace, otherwise I'm gonna hurt myself further. So, yeah. Time to get back on the road and get closer to where I'm going, y'all. Hopefully y'all are having a great day. Talk to you later. Hey y'all, I stopped for gas just a little bit ago and now I'm back at another gas station. I got a hot dog, chips, candy bar, and Diet Dr. Pepper. That's going to be breakfast / lunch. Road trip, y'all. Oh, yeah, I went through Indiana and Ohio, I think, twice, but I'm back in Indiana. The way that the road goes. So, alright, y'all. Talk to you later.